The curtains parted for the Great Maximo, a magician known for his spectacular illusions. Tonight, he was determined to wow the audience. He began with a disappearing rabbit trick, but instead of a rabbit, a shoe flew out of the hat. Confused gasps filled the air. Undeterred, he tried to pull a bouquet from his sleeve, only to find a swarm of confetti exploding everywhere. The audience erupted in laughter. In a final act, he aimed to levitate a volunteer, but instead, the volunteer accidentally sent Maximo soaring into the ceiling. With a thud, he crashed down, landing in a pile of costumes. The crowd cheered wildly, not for magic, but for the unintentional comedy of the Great Maximo.